So I'm out in the woods again looking for bones and bugs and small friends. Log number 1. Worm. I wonder whose house that is. Spider. Log. Oh, come on. Slug. Hello. Mushroom. Tiny house. Wasn't supposed to be raining today, but what can you do? I just don't think I can stop winning. Right here. You don't see it until... Pick it up. Hell yeah. Log. Ooh. Quite a lot. There's a little hill millipede. Tiny snail friend. Even smaller snail friend. Ooh, a bundle of logs. Beetle friend. Oh, I've got to avoid the spiky things. Ow, yeah, didn't do a very good job of avoiding them. Well, there's not even anything under here. Oh, worm. Mushroom. Made a friend. Oh, he shat on me. Oh. Mushrooms. I know where you've hid the food.